Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Audi S4 versus the WRX. The Audi S4 is known for its sophisticated blend of luxury and powerful performance, offering a premium driving experience. In contrast, the Subaru WRX delivers a more raw, engaging feel, rooted in its rally heritage. Both vehicles come equipped with all-wheel drive, ensuring excellent grip and control in various conditions. Under the hood, the S4 typically features a turbocharged V6 engine, often producing over 340 horsepower, delivering smooth, effortless acceleration. The WRX, on the other hand, usually sports a turbocharged four-cylinder engine, commonly around 270 horsepower, providing a more immediate and aggressive power delivery. The S4 excels in refined cruising, while the WRX offers a more direct and thrilling connection to the road. Inside, the Audi S4 presents a luxurious cabin, adorned with high-quality materials and cutting-edge technology, creating a comfortable and upscale environment. The Subaru WRX offers a more functional and driver-focused interior, prioritizing ergonomics and essential controls for an engaging drive. Both cars provide 4 doors and practical trunk space, making them suitable for daily commuting and errands, though the S4 typically starts at a higher price. Ultimately, choosing between the Audi S4 and the Subaru WRX comes down to your priorities. The S4 delivers a sophisticated, luxurious driving experience with premium features and refined power. The WRX offers exhilarating, rally-inspired performance at a more accessible price point, appealing to enthusiasts. For those looking to make meal prep easier, check the description for a link to some great leak-proof containers and other deals. Consider if you value luxury and comfort versus raw, engaging performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.